what air was. This idea we have of there being lots of molecules, they didn't know that 300 or 400 years ago. So you can see that this is just a sphere that's been cut in half. There's nothing that's going to hold it together. No screws, no jiggery pokery. And all we're going to do is put those two halves next to each other and take all the air out from in between the two. Okay, so this is going to take a few seconds to have all the air taken out of it. What's going to happen, do you think, once we've taken all the air out? What might change? Go on. They're going to stick together. Why are they going to stick together? Don't know. Anyone know why they're going to stick together? You're completely devoid of ideas. You spent the afternoon as a physics thing and you have no ideas at all. Go on.
Is it because like the pressure's different and it's funny?
I like the first bit, not the second bit. Okay, yes, the pressure is different. What happens, we've got all those air molecules, they're moving around at hundreds of miles per hour, tiny, tiny molecules, but they're bumping into things. And as you know, when you bump into something, you give it a push. So, all the time around us on the air molecules are moving around and bumping into us and pushing us, but because we have the same push on both sides of us, we don't fall over, except when the wind blows. Now, I've taken all the air out of the inside of this. Can you turn it off? Okay, so there's now no air on the inside. And when I hold up the top, I'm only holding it by the top half, the bottom isn't falling off. And the only thing that's holding that together is the push of all those little air molecules from the air zooming around, bumping into things. So this is quite heavy, so the air can beat the gravity that's trying to pull the bottom half of that down. How hard do you think you'd have to pull these apart? Has anyone got an idea? Go on. Yeah, it's the only thing anyone can say. No one has any other ideas. You would have to pull very hard, and you have to have me not dropping it. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if all of you people can pull hard enough to beat the push of the atmosphere, and they're tiny, tiny little molecules that are zooming around. So let's see who wins. So Soy Sounds out, 2 teams.